Get ready and learn easy. Welcome to Max channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Welcome. So in this video we are going to see fourth chapter quadratic equation exercise 4.2 fourth question. They had asked the question, find two consecutive integers. We have to find the two consecutive integers, sum of whose square is 365. So if we are square and add those two integers, we will getting 365. Okay, first the integers are in the type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And we have to consider the consecutive integers. Consecutive integers means if we are taken this one, the next one is the consecutive of this one. If you are taking 2, the next one 3 is the consecutive. See how it is formed. If I am taking this 1 as x, the next one is x plus 1. If x is 1, here x plus 1 means what? This 1 plus 1 will give 2. If x I am taking 2, this 2 plus 1 will become 3. If x is 3, this 3 plus 1 become 4. This is what consecutive. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4. The next numbers. So it is in the form of x and x plus 1. Right. Let us take these two consecutive numbers. Let us take the two consecutive integers. What we are taking these integers as, one is x and the next one is x plus 1. If x is 1, the next one is 1 plus 1 2. If x is 2, 2 plus 1, the next one is 3. Right. Next they are telling that sum of whose squares. So sum of whose squares means separately they are telling sum of whose squares. If suppose they had given sum of the both squares means we have to add and after that we have to make the square. Here they are telling the sum of whose squares. So sum of whose squares means we have to write this sum of whose squares. What they had given, sum of whose square is 365. Now the x square plus x plus 1 square is what? 365. Sum of whose squares, separately squares. Okay, first one the x square and the next one is x plus 1 whole square. If we are adding this, we can able to get the 365. Now this is in the form of a plus b the whole square. So we know the a plus b the whole square formula. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. We are going to apply this one in this equation, and now we can able to get this as first x square and next one plus 2 into, here a is x and b is 1, finally plus b square, right? That is equal to 365. Simplify this, x square plus here also x square, 2 into x into 1 is 2x plus 1. 1 square is nothing but 1. So x square, so 2x square, right? X square plus x square is 2x square plus 2x plus 1, that is equal to 365. Now we are taking this 365 to left hand side to make as a proper quadratic equation. Then it will become 2x square plus 2x. This 365 will come this side, means minus 365. Here already 1 is there, so minus 365. Here already plus 1 is there, so we can get 364. So minus of 364, that is equal to 0. Now we get this quadratic equation. We are going to find the roots of the quadratic equation. If we find the root only, we can able to tell what are all the two consecutive numbers. If we square and add them, we can able to get the 365, right? Here the given, we find the equation as 2x square plus 2x minus of 364, that is equal to 0. Now look into the coefficient of x is what? 2, and finally the constant is minus 364. We have to multiply these two things, or else simply you can take 2 outside, means we will get here x square only. So I am taking outside of 2, we can able to get x square here and the x one be the alone, and here 1 2s are 2, 16, 8 2s are 16 and 2 2s are 4. These 2 will go this side. Finally we can get the equation as x square plus x minus of 182, that is equal to 0. So now the coefficient of x is 1. So write this equation, x square plus x minus of 182 is equal to. So now it is somewhat easy to find the roots. Here one is that coefficient of x square is 1 into the constant is minus of 182. We multiply this, we will get minus of 182. So we are going to split this number into 2. While we are adding these numbers, we have to get 1. While we are multiplying this, we have to get this minus 182. So find factors of minus 182. So by 2 tables, 9 2s are 18, 1 2 is 2. So 91 is under the 7 table. 1 7 is 7, 3 7s are 21. So the factors be 13 into 7 into 2. See here 13, this 7 into 2 is 14. If we multiply both, we can able to get this 182. And if we are adding these two, we have to get this 1. So I am making this 13 as minus. So minus 13 into 14, we can able to get this minus 182. And if we are adding minus 13 plus 14, now we can get this positive 1. Right, this positive 1. So in the place of this x, we are going to apply minus 13x plus 14x. So now the equation will become this plus x, we are going to apply minus 13x and plus 14x minus of 182. See, minus 13x plus 14x, we get this same x. Okay. Now we are going to take out the common terms which is present in the first two and the second two. Here we can able to take this x only. So if you are taking x outside, here what will be the remaining thing? Here the x will be there and minus 13 will be there. So x into x is x square, plus into minus is minus, x into 13 is 13x. And plus if we are taken 14, here we can able to get x minus 13. So 14 into x is 14x, plus into minus is minus, 14 into 13 is 182. We already know the 14 into 13 is what? 182. For 182 only we already find the factors. Now here the same terms is there, so we have to take out of this x minus 13 outside. So remaining things here, the x will be there, here plus 14 will be there. Now finally we are equating this to 0. So x minus 13 is equal to 0 and x plus 14 is equal to 0. Now the x value here is 13 and the x value here is minus 14. So finally the two consecutive integers are 13 and 14. Sum of whose square is 365. If we apply this one in this, we can able to get this answer 365. You substitute these two numbers in this, we will get this 365. Now they are asked in the question to find the two consecutive integers. Hence finally write the answer as hence the two consecutive integers are the two consecutive integers are 13 comma minus 14. Right, fine, thank you.
Thanks for watching our channel. மறக்காம நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க அண்ட் உங்களுடைய கமெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் கொஷின்ஸை மறக்காம கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.